Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Veronica by Envy in the color Amaretto and Cream. So I love Envy hair. I'm going to talk a little bit more about that during the course of this video. I love this blend, but I wanted to show you what this looks like off so you can see this pretty razored texture at the bottom of the wig. It's just so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and put this on. It has no permatease whatsoever, by the way. Very natural volume. Fits true to average. This is a great brunette color. Now, all of the Envy hair colors, general rule of thumb is that browns will pretty much look the same, but all red and blonde shades are going to look a little bit more amplified. They take to the pigment a little bit more intensely than regular synthetic does. Oh, this is pretty. So here is that lace front, and then you can see there's that part. That is a nice mono top. That is a nice mono top. Like I said, this hair is heat stylable, but it comes with this luscious, silky, straight texture right out of the box. I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360 for you so you can see what Veronica in Amaretto and Cream looks like on all sides. Yeah, oh, it's very pretty. Looks great with this dress. But yeah, look at how pretty the color is. I'm gonna do an entire color spotlight on this color, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, that's lovely. I'm gonna go ahead and take Veronica off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. So, Veronica by Envy has a lace front. It also has a monofilament top. And it's also hand-tied in the back and on the sides with some stretch mesh back here. We also have felt closed ear tabs, an extended felt nape, but the tag note does dip down below the nape, so if you decide to keep this, cut the tag out so it doesn't stick out. And then it also has Velcro adjusters. The elastic is covered with mesh, so be careful so you don't accidentally pull these through because they're kind of a pain in the butt to fish back out. And let me show you what the monofilament features look like up close, because this mono top is luscious. Hopefully that's focusing. It's really nice. And this Envy hair feels fantastic. It's my favorite of the human hair and heat-friendly synthetic blended fibers. And you can style this up, by the way, up to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And there's that really pretty Amaretto Cream color. So let's talk some specs and then we will call this one a night. This is a really comfortable wig. Like, it's small on me and I still think it's comfortable. And the coverage on the sides, very good. Oh, this is a good wig. I like this one a lot. The weight is 5.84 ounces, which is really light given how long it is, but it has very natural hair density, so that makes sense. The front is 11.25 inches, the crown down is 15.5 inches, the sides are 14.5 inches, and the nape is 12, which is why this goes about halfway down my back. So I really, really like this one, and I'm not just saying that because it's expensive, because there are lots of inexpensive wigs I like too. This one's just really nice. And sometimes it's nice to know if you are gonna buy something that costs as much as Veronica, you know, that it is actually good quality. That's reassuring, I think. So So very nicely done. This again has been Veronica by Envy in the color Amaretto and Cream. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com, bringing you wig reviews and color spotlights and all kinds of other stuff. So be sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And until next time, have a great night. Bye-bye.